Hello everyone, let's start with the video. First we are making two fishes. As you can see, starting by making the body of them, we're gonna join them together and making the eyes. After that you can see we are making some hearts in between and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a cute and beautiful bird standing on one leg, and then we're gonna highlight the details and make a crown on the top. Let's move ahead. Here we are making drawing of a cute pig. First we're gonna make the body structure of the pig, then highlight it and details the face with some eyes, nose, hands and the ears. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a kitty holding a heart in her hands. First we're gonna make the face and a cute bow on her head, and then we're gonna make her hold a heart, and you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a beautiful big peacock. Starting by making the face, we're gonna make the long and the big feathers using this black sketch pen. You can use any pen you want. Then we're gonna detail the feathers with some design. As you can see, you can use any kind of design you want. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a cute female rabbit. First we're gonna make the face and the eyes, and then we are gonna make the beautiful body with the skirt. Let's move ahead. Here we're gonna make a whale, starting by making the body and then the eyes and the mouth. Let's move ahead. Here we are making a hen with some eggs below it. First we are gonna make the eggs and then the face of the hen and then the body. Thanks for watching.